Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It is one of my favorite times of the month because the new Scribbler boxes arrived. Woohoo! I have a mounting pile of these boxes in my office. I cannot bring myself to throw away the actual boxes, and I need to rearrange my space to accommodate what's in the boxes. So on the one hand, the boxes are creating a little bit of organizational chaos for me, but on the other hand, it's totally worth it. Let's take a look at what's in the box this month. So I've lost my scissors that I usually use to open these boxes, but I found this nail, so hopefully I won't slice my hand open while I'm opening this box. And now let's look at the wonders that are in the box. So starting off with our postcard. So every box comes with a postcard, and most of the postcards include some kind of a writing prompt. And what you do is you just write something that goes with the prompt right here on this card. You take a picture of it, post it on your social media with the right tags, and one lucky winner gets a prize. Now, they don't tell you what the prize actually is. They just say that, we'll select one winner to receive a bonus gift. So I will read you this month's writing prompt. Finish this story by incorporating your own plot twist. I waited for the bus, took a quick bite of my donut. The sun shone after a week of rain. It had been just as long since you'd last called. A hopeful smile lifted the corner of my mouth. Now, I have not participated in one of these writing prompts yet, but at some point I should. Maybe I will do this one. If I do participate, I will share with you guys what I write, and maybe some of you guys can critique it. Next we have, this is quite clever, writer's block, and it is a pad of paper. That's really nice. Kind of like, are they Post-its or is it just a pad of paper? I hope they're Post-its. I'm really weird about Post-its, you guys. I'm low-key addicted to Post-its. So, if these are Post-its, I am extremely happy, but even if they're not, this is very cool to have. Then we have our snack, veggie sticks, Himalayan pink salt. I have never tasted these ones, but I have had vegetable chips, and I actually do like them. I had them for the first time at my mom's place a couple of years ago, and at the time I thought, vegetable chips, that's kind of defeating the whole point of chips. But then when you think about it, potato is a vegetable, and we put them into chips, so why not other things? So, we'll give these a try, and hopefully they'll taste good. Oh, these pencils are nice. They have messages on them. It's a good day to write, future best-selling author, kill your darlings. That's a good one to write when you're going to be writing a death scene. Keep those creative juices flowing. Write, rewrite, repeat. That is a testament to the importance of editing. And you've got this little bit of motivation there. So these are very nice. And what I like about them is that they're sharpened. Sometimes you get pencils in boxes like this, and you have to sharpen them yourself, and whoever ends up using those. These ones are already sharpened, so I think I'll actually use them. Then we have this iron-on badge. When I want to read a book, I write one. Okay, not 100% true. I do like reading books written by other people. I always believe that one of the best ways to improve as a writer is by reading good quality work written by other people. But I like the sentiment behind this, and I just have to figure out what to sew it onto, if I'm going to sew it onto anything. Maybe I'll put it on like a toque or something. That's an idea. And last month I told you about the writing passports, which give some advice on an element of writing, and this one is about plot twists. So it gives you some examples of plot twists, how to write them, all that kind of good stuff. We also get these leaflets inside every box that delve into an element of publishing, and they call it the Inside Look. And this one is about titles. Now, coming up with a title for a story can be extremely difficult, and what happens a lot of times is that the writer, when they're submitting their book to an agent and further down the line to a publisher, the writer will have a working title that they've chosen for the book. Sometimes that title will be kept, but a lot of times either the agent or the publisher will decide that a different title would sell the book better, and that's really what it's all about. What title will attract the audience that will pick that book up off the shelf and then pay for it? And we have this list of what is inside the box. We get this in every box as well. And this is the card that has the details for the exclusive chat. And this one is with Sue Campbell. Sue Campbell is an award-winning freelance book designer who works with small publishers and independent authors. She began as a graphic designer for advertising agencies, and when the opportunity arose to design books, something she really loves, she jumped at the chance and never went back. She especially enjoys helping new authors navigate the rough waters of self-publishing. This is a talk that I'm definitely going to want to attend, and although I've written several novels in the past, I have actually got one that is almost at the point where I want to think about actually getting it published. So this talk will be a very good one for me to attend. It is happening on May the 13th, which is next week. I think it's next week. So I will put that in my calendar for sure, and I will attend that talk. And then finally, we have our book of the month. The title of the book is A Perfect Marriage, and it is written by Adam Mitzner. I hope I am saying that name right. I will read you the blurb on the back. James and Jessica Summers are celebrating their first blissful year together, an unexpected second chance at true love. Unfortunately, their newfound shot at happiness is not without collateral damage. There's Jessica's ex-husband. He pretends for all the world that he's resilient and strong, if only for the sake of their teenage son, profoundly vulnerable in his own way. James's ex has taken a different road, bitter, vengeful, and threatening. She wants only the worst for the happy couple. And then there's the couple themselves. Are they truly as in love as they seem? When James enters into an extraordinary, profitable, if shady, transaction with a beautiful art dealer, Jessica and James's seemingly perfect marriage takes a dark and tragic turn. Amid suspicions, tested loyalties, revenge, and guilt, no one escapes unscathed from sins committed in the name of love. So that looks like a combination of romance, intrigue, suspense, thriller maybe. Who knows what's going to happen in this book? Could be anything. I'm looking forward to reading it. And that is another great box. Getting these is always a highlight of my month. I just want to make it clear that these Scribbler videos are not sponsored. I pay for the boxes and I give my honest opinion about what's in them. I don't always use the stuff in the boxes, and what I don't use, I am putting aside for a giveaway that will happen when I get to the 500 subscriber milestone. I am currently on the verge of breaking 400, so I'm hoping we'll get to 500 soon. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that button and select the bell. I do writing tips and opinions during the week and fun stuff like writer reaction videos during weekends. I'd love you to be part of my small but growing community. Have a good weekend, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.